Barriers of educational technology integration in early learning. Attitudes and beliefs. Despite the many advantages of using technology in early learning, the concept remains controversial. Historically, there were fears that using computers with preschoolers would result in poorer social skills, less active learning opportunities, and fewer age-appropriate play activities. Through a focus group study with 50 ECEs in Ontario, Wood et al. 2008 discovered that there are educators that believe computers inhibit social interactions between children, and that computers make it difficult to engage children in non-digital activities. This mentality is one that might also be shared with parents, which is a confrontation that educators have to manage in order to communicate the learning outcomes that are made possible by using technology. Therefore, not only are ECEs faced with the challenges of determining when it is appropriate to use technology in the classroom, they are also faced with the challenge of helping others understand the benefits of using technology in early learning with young children. The Ontario Ministry of Education 2006, the Kindergarten Program document, is a wonderful resource for ECEs to gain knowledge about 21st century learning, inquiry-based pedagogies, and supporting children's well-being. As you can see on this slide, it compares the traditional planning versus an inquiry-based approach, as well as explaining the inquiry process in kindergarten classroom. Old basics versus new basics of literacy and mathematics. Additionally, there are educators that are stuck in focusing on the old basics by using outdated methods of instruction in which these pedagogies were originally intended to promote the economic goals of the industrialization era. The idea of the old basics prioritizes the learning of basic literacy and mathematics, which we prepare them to work in the factory models. Today, educators need to focus on the new basics of the 21st century, including the 6 C's, which were explained in the benefits PowerPoint, and navigating multiliteracies, which will prepare them for the complex workforce of the future. Acquiring the knowledge and skills of new basics pedagogies, such as inquiry-based learning, require teachers to maintain up-to-date with their professional development. Lack of professional training and accessibility. Just as ECEs hold the responsibility of effectively implementing technology into early learning, administrators of ECE facilities hold the responsibility of helping ECEs gain the knowledge and skills to do so. In the Wood et al. 2008 study, some ECEs, 4%, did not feel comfortable implementing computer technology into their classrooms because of their own lack of computer knowledge and skills. As early childhood educators become active participants in a technological world, they need in-depth training and ongoing support to be adequately prepared to make decisions about technology and to support its effective use in early learning environments for children. The following suggestions are required to prepare ECEs for effectively integrating technology into their classrooms. ECEs should be provided opportunities to reflect on their technology use and how they are integrating the guiding principles into their practices. The guiding principles will be in another page, another section that you can learn about. ECEs should also be provided lesson planning time to most effectively design their learning activities with thorough considerations of the possible implications. As well, ECE should be provided with hands-on training on software and hardware programs in order to gain the confidence of using these technologies in practice. In addition, ECEs should be provided with curriculum development opportunities to enhance their knowledge of effective technology use for instruction and assessment purposes. Finally, accessibility to technological tools and devices may be a barrier that ECEs are faced with. It should be within the infrastructure of early learning centers to encourage technology integration in order for children to reap the benefits of early technology exposure. Below this PowerPoint, you will see links that you can click to explore the resources that were discussed in this PowerPoint.